Hello, my name is Vanessa. So guys, sorry about the mask. So you guys deserve to know the truth about the Keto Resources. This product is being sold a lot and I decided to record this quick video just to tell you everything that happened to me after I used the Keto Resources. And I already want to start the video by making two extremely important alerts. So please pay close attention and watch this video until the end so you don't regret anything later. So guys, the first thing that you need to know about the Keto Resources is to be very careful with the website that you're going to buy the Keto Resources from, because the Keto Resources is only sold on their official website. So to help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description box of this video. So be sure to check that out later on once you finish watching this video, okay? Guys, before I tell you the truth, I need to say that I've used several products to help me lose weight. I've done every diet you can imagine. I've spent hours at the gym. I've been treated for 2 years with a nutritionist, and I fought a lot against obesity. I had very low self-esteem, and what devastated me the most was when I went to buy clothes, I never found anything that fit me. Nothing. So I fought the scales every day. I tried everything. I even did lose weight, but I spent a period of time and I got all that weight back on again. And I got even more fatter. I was always a very anxious person, and I ended up taking everything out on food until I was depressed due to overweight. My marriage was not going too well. I was really insecure. I felt ugly, fat. So a dear friend of mine recommended to try the Keto Resources, which was the only thing that worked for her, and that she had lost so much weight with Keto Resources without starving or without killing herself at the gym. So I did a lot of research on Keto Resources. I went to their official website, which was indicated by my friend, and saw that the product is very well noted and that the producer offers a 60 days guarantee, meaning that if I don't like this product or if I simply don't get a result, I can ask for a refund and they'll give me all of my money back. So that made me really excited because I was like, hey, there's nothing here to lose, right? So I bought the Keto Resources, and for those of you who don't know, the Keto Resources is a diet guide that gives you the menu for 28 days from breakfast, lunch, and dinner with all the ingredients, which are really cheap and very easy to prepare. So I wasn't worried because, well, my days are very busy and usually I just rush things. So once I saw that this was pretty simple, I wasn't worried at all because I knew that I was going to have time to prepare my dishes and elaborate everything. So, and in my 21 days of using Keto Resources, I managed to lose 11 kilos without having to spend hours at the gym and do all those crazy diets, and even without going hungry. So every morning I would see what the meal of the day would be. So I realized that throughout the day, I was really satisfied. I wasn't hungry or I didn't have anxiety because I had fed myself with the right food and the right amount for my body because of the Keto Resources. So, and also the food that it gives you is really, really tasty, and I'm pretty sure that everybody will like it. So at first I didn't believe that much that it could work, but every day I saw that I was losing a little bit more of weight. I had a lot of energy to do my daily tasks and disposition, and I was feeling much happier. So that's why I decided to record this video to you guys. First of all, many people are having great results with Keto Resources, and now I'm one of those guys too. So I'm here to tell you that you can get great results with the Keto Resources just like I did. However, you do need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way because we all have different metabolisms. That's obvious, but I'm just telling you this so you can be realistic about your expectations. And my second warning is that for like Keto Resources to work, you need to take this treatment really seriously like I did. Make sure you take it every single day. You need to start your treatment with discipline and focus so you can reach your goals and you will not get frustrated. You guys can see the initial results in like the first 28 days, but most people get better results after 3 months of using the Keto Resources. So just keep that in mind, okay guys? Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that you remember to go to their official website, which is in the description box down below. Be sure to check that out. And I'll see you guys around. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Take great care and bye.